Installing a fire alarm system in a large home requires careful consideration of several factors. Firstly, you need to decide on the system type. Residential systems are generally designed for smaller homes. They are often easier to install yourself and are cost-effective. Commercial systems are more advanced and suitable for large spaces but require professional installation and are more expensive. They often offer more features. Secondly, consider zones. Divide the home into multiple zones such as bedrooms and living areas to quickly isolate and identify activated alarms. Thirdly, think about smoke and heat sensors. Install both ionization smoke detectors, which are effective for fast-flaming fires, and photoelectric smoke detectors, which are better for smoldering fires. Heat detectors are essential for kitchens and garages. All smoke and heat detectors should be interconnected, so that if one detector activates, an alarm sounds throughout the house. For large homes, commercial systems are often recommended. One option is the simplex TrueSensor. This is an advanced system with wireless and hardwired options, customizable zoning, and easy programming. Another option is the Pyrotronics Light Touch. It's a cost-effective commercial system suitable for residential applications with multiple zones and remote access capabilities. There are also cheaper alternatives. The KidFireX is a residential system with interconnected smoke and heat detectors, supports up to 12 zones, and has a 10-year battery life. First Alert BRK is another affordable system with interconnected smoke and heat detectors, supports up to 7 zones, and has a 5-year battery life. Professional installation is highly recommended for commercial systems and large homes to ensure everything is installed correctly and functions as expected. It is essential to ensure that the system meets local building codes and fire safety regulations. Regularly test and inspect the system monthly and replace batteries annually to ensure it functions properly. Consider integrating the system with other home automation devices such as lighting and door locks for enhanced safety. Most quality systems should last at least 10 years with proper maintenance. However, technological advancements may warrant system upgrades over time.